Today we're creating using Chalkology permanent ink. Peel your transfer off the backing and place it on your plain mug. Smooth out the transfer, making sure there are no air bubbles. Using your squeegee, apply the ink over the silkscreen design, making sure to press the ink all the way through all of the silkscreen window. Peel the silkscreen transfer off of your mug before the ink begins to dry. I am so impressed with how detailed these dragonfly wings are. Let's repeat the process with this bumblebee transfer. It feels like there's something stuck to the adhesive side of the transfer, so I'll easily take that off and replace it to get a nice tight seal on my design. Now you're ready to peel back the transfer and reveal your design. Let these beauties air dry for 24 hours, then heat set in an oven or using a mug press, and enjoy your custom designed washable mugs.